So, hello YouTubers and well, any of this, what do you call it, that I'll be putting this on. As you can see, there's been a massive change of the motorcycle. Gone is the Katana, and now we have this rather pretty machine, which is a THRUXTON RS with the track racer inspiration kit fitted to it. Now I'm not going far because we're still in lockdown. I'm just going for a ride around the back of the village, but I'll pull into a lonin and just show you around the bike. It's a nice machine, I have to say. There is a story about how I came to get it though. I'd went into KC Superbikes in Carlisle before the lockdown, and I'd expressed me interest in getting a Triumph Bonneville Bobber Black. Anyway, the guy in there, he says, look, if you're interested in getting a Triumph, we've got this THRUXTON. Look at all this shit on here. We've got this THRUXTON at a very, very good price, and it was a very, very good price, believe me. So I had to sit on it and stuff, and I looked at the dash here, and I just fell in love. I just thought, look at that, eh? And it's actually quite a nice bike to ride as well. I didn't think I was going to get on with the very dropped bars, to be honest. And in the town, you know, I've had a couple of little rides on it, and in the town it's an absolute wrist breaker. But once you're out on the road, it just seems to make sense. It just feels comfortable, you know what I mean? As long as you're not leaning on your arms, obviously supporting your body weight, you know, hanging on with your knees, supporting your body weight, you know, with your core muscles. It's great, eh? It's actually very nice. So yeah, so I got a very good price when I traded in the Katana. I paid 8 grand for it and I got 7.5, so I was quite happy with that. And this top whack on this with the body kit is 14.5 grand. That's top whack. Obviously these days you're not going to be paying that, but I got it for 11.5, which is why I couldn't really knock it back, to be honest. And what a good price, which is obviously cheaper than the Bobber Black, you know what I mean? So I thought, bugger it, I'm gonna go for it. But what a nice bike, like it's brand new, it's pre-registered, but it's brand new, eh? Let's scan down this lonin, get some nice pictures down here as well. Obviously I'm taking it easy because I've got brand new tyres here and the ground is very cold. But yeah, so that's how I've come to wind up with a Triumph THRUXTON RS. It's a nice little lawn in this. Often walk the dog down here on his short walks, but there's no traffic. Well, I say there's no traffic comes down here because it goes nowhere. You can guarantee when I park it up here to get some nice pictures that somebody will turn up. Just pop it here where I can see. So there she is in all her glory. What a machine, like, isn't it gorgeous? Fucking beautiful, like, pardon my French. What a lovely bike. I am really, really happy to. I've done a couple of little mods already. I've put the whatchamacallits on, the what do they call them again? Tank pads, something like that. Yeah. And of course the whatchamacallit, the battery tender. Just knock that off. Yeah, so I'm sure everybody knows about the THRUXTON RS, so I'm not going to bang on about it or anything like that. You know, I'm sure there's plenty of reviews out there. If anybody wants to have a deek, as it were. Right, I'm just going to take some photos. Yeah, but like, I'm really, really happy with it, like, I really am. It's like I say, it wasn't what I was going to get. Like I say, I was going to get a Bobber Black. I was just really curious more than anything else, like, but that's not what I'm after, is it? No, not nice aperture. There we go. Let's get some pictures of this little bugger. She's a pretty bike, like, I mean, look at that cockpit. It's freaking awesome, like, really is. And that polished yoke and that, beautiful. So I'll pull that out a bit. Way around, come on, Mark, lad. That'll do. So yeah, so that's the new bike. And like I say, I'm very happy with it, like. There's loads you can do with them and all, with all the Bonnevilles, really. You know, there's lots of Triumph aftermarket bits, and then there's the likes of Motorn Customs, which is where I got these from, who do a lot of stuff, so you can quite easily make it your own, you know. But it's a nice looking bike, that, like. It is totally different to what I'm used to, though. Like, don't get us wrong, you know, I love Suzuki's. I'm a big Suzuki fan, like, but I thought I'd give a Triumphs a go, and so far so good. What I am hoping, though, is that it doesn't wind up with any gearbox problems, because there is some issues apparently, so I'm hoping to goodness that doesn't happen here. So the track racer inspiration kit is the fairing, the lower handlebars, the indicators, these tiny billet indicators, lovely them, and the tail tidy. I don't think there's anything else for it, but the suspension is unbelievable, like, straight out the box. I mean, like, it's absolutely great. Yeah, it soaks up the bumps, but it seems solid, like, you know. Not that I've been doing much on it, obviously I'm still running it in, but yeah, stunning. Yeah, lovely bike, lovely motor. So that's about it really. So if you've been watching on the old YouTube, thanks for watching, it's much appreciated. And I've got over 50 subscribers now, so big thumbs up, guys, big thumbs up. God, I never thought when I started doing this I'd get more than 50 subscribers. I didn't even think I'd get more than 10, to be honest. So I'm well chuffed with that. So yeah, big thank you, massive thank you to my subscribers. Hopefully I can bring you more videos when this fucking lockdown, and I'm sorry for swearing, but it's driving me mental at the moment. But when this lockdown finishes, yeah, tell you what though, I think I might have to get rid of those mirrors. Maybe get the billet ones. Looks a bit raj like. But anyway, so if you have been watching, thanks for watching, it's much appreciated, and hopefully we'll see you out on the road soon. So take care everybody. And peace.